Okay, another video for Nifty Thrifty Girl is a white 130. This is a nice, basic, easy to use machine. It is just straight and zigzag with adjustable stitch width, stitch length, bobbin winder, and adjustable feed dog height. It's two-tone green, mint green, and a darker green color. It is a tall or a high shank machine, and it uses class 15 bobbins. Bobbins and needles can be found anywhere as easy as Walmart. It uses 15 by 1 class needles. It does come with a pack of ballpoint needles, a ruffler, a straight stitch foot, and some bobbins, and some other extra goodies back there. Cosmetically, it's a very nice machine. It's tabletop ready, or can be installed into a cabinet or a carrying case in just a few minutes. It does come with a PDF copy of the instruction manual sent to you via email after purchase. It's a very nice, smooth machine. Serviced and ready to work, all metal, no plastic gears. You can also make creative embroidery patterns, and I'll show you how to do that in just a minute. Zigzag. Now for creative embroidery, you zigzag loose, you pull in your stitch length, and we're going to widen and narrow our design while we sew. Like so. And you might want to loosen up your tension just a little. Pretty much you're limited only by your imagination and what design you can make. There's my little creative embroidery design, zigzag and straight. There's the back, very nice stitches. Going back to another fabric here, there's a couple layers of garment leather. I'm using a size 16 needle. It's a good machine for a new sewer, a beginner, or it's a nice reliable machine for someone that's been sewing for years. As I said, it is an all-metal machine. I'll have to check the amperage on the motor. Doesn't really specify, but as you can see, it doesn't really seem to have a problem sewing heavier duty stuff no matter what the amperage. 2, 3, 4, 5 layers of denim. Do that with your plastic Walmart machine. Not going to happen. Perfect stitch, 5 layers of denim. And this is 5 layers of woven upholstery with a rubber backing on it. A really coarse, dense fabric. Very nice. And that is the all-metal white model 130 straight zigzag sewing machine.